some of my friends on the playground in 5th grade, and I got jealous, and I decided to learn how to solve it. And I just have been hooked ever since. A lot of them don't even remember how to do it, and I average around 11 to 13 seconds.
Oh, nice, nice. That's pretty good. Well, do you still hang out with them?
No, not really. I moved away.
You can go back and be like, ha, I showed you.
I would, but then they'd be like, I don't really care.
And these are your new friends now, your better friends?
Yeah.
Who are also good at cubing?
I've known them for around a year.
Friendship?
Yeah.
We used to not be friends before cubes.
Yeah, it literally, we used to be best friends and cubing brought us back together. Literally.
Nice, nice.
It's almost a romance story.
If you have not come up yet, that's a problem.
So then only work at 3
This one is currently the second largest in the world. It has over 1,500 functioning pieces in it. I built this one, which is 2x2x10. I also made this one here. It's 9x9x1. It turns by the faces like this. The reason it's all curved like this is because there's something known as a big cube law, where if you turn one face, the corner has to be attached. So what you can do is if you make the puzzle thicker than it has to be wide, then the corners will stay in.
I'm just here just to meet people I talk to all the time, but I'm getting ready to build some mini Zanchis, 50 and 55, Traxxas, the Weight 1 from the Cubicle. I do a lot of Skype and Ubu chats and every night, and it's just really cool to be here and meet everybody that I talk to every day. Yeah, it's really cool.
After months of talking online, yeah.
So you see each other online like every day, but see each other in person every few months.
Yeah. It's really cool. Yeah.
I am supporting my brother, Max.
So, and you don't cube?
I do cube, just I don't solve anything.
So you can scramble?
Yes, exactly. I'm really good at scrambling. It is fantastic. It's like having a brother who's a movie star.
Nice, nice.
Yes, I go around telling people that he can solve a Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
And then it's R2, R2, R2.
Round 2 appearing.
I had a friend who I always looked up to because he was really smart and I wasn't. And then he had a Rubik's Cube, he could solve it. So I was like, Dad, can I get a Rubik's Cube? And eventually I'm just like where I am now, around like 20 seconds. He still averages about like 1 minute.
He's not in Vegas right now, is he?
No, he's playing Diablo 3. I've known him online for about a year and a half or so.
Yeah.
And then like, it was only like about 2 days ago when we actually met each other.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
just like at this competition.
Yeah. The best thing about cubing is going to competitions, meeting new people, and beating your old records, because every single time in a competition it's going to get recorded forever on your profile.
early so we can scramble them. Bring up your cubes if you are in teams 1, 2, 3, or 4.
How do you psych yourself up for the final round?
Well, I had to psych myself down actually because I'm psyched up the whole day, right?
Okay,
So I have to calm down right before. Because right as soon as I go up, you know, my hands get really cold and shaky,
I
you
see,
know,
I see.
because it's really nerve-wracking solving up there. Yeah, no problem.
Good luck.
Thank you.
How much do you practice every day?
I don't.
How often do you practice?
I haven't practiced. I haven't like practiced cubing at home for 2-3 years now. I was a minute 2 years ago when it was like really fast. Now it's not very fast anymore. But you know, I didn't really become slow.
I see.
Yeah, it's just everyone else caught up.
Most of the time I can tell what the solve will be from the beginning.
Right, like you look at it, you know exactly what to do.
Yep.
Less than 2 seconds, you don't really have time to think.
Yeah, you don't have a lot of time to think. You just see it and you just go.
You got a lot of friends cheering you on.
Yeah, I do. That was a lot of people watching. There was a little bit of pressure, but it wasn't that bad. I tried to zone everyone out as best as I could.
His proudest accomplishment is a sub-8 average of 12.
Yeah!
get more $2 bills is Kevin Hayes, Philip Espinoza, is Andrew Ricci. For our 3x3 speed song winners and our new national champion, Andrew Ricci.
Not only win, but get like 4th in the world.
Oh, it feels awesome. I didn't even think at all that I would be able to win. I figured that I would maybe podium.
Well, congratulations.
All right, thank you very much.